How do we determine the location and height of our sensor?
There are several ways to find out the coordinates and altitude of a place. For example, you can use Google Earth from a browser. We previously saved the location of one of our measurement points to Google Drive, where we can recall it at any time. These services are a good help in planning the installation location of our own sensors. Click on the terrain on the map near the sensor at ground level. In the lower right corner of the map, you can read the coordinates and altitude. Google Earth uses N, north for latitude, and E, east for longitude. The height will be the altitude value that will need to be set in the sensor setup program.
How to set the sensor in setup mode?
The sensor has 3 operating modes: measuring mode, setup mode, test mode. In this chapter, we only deal with the first 2. In measurement mode, the sensor connects to the internet via a nearby Wi-Fi and sends the measurement results to the database of our central server. In setting mode, the operating parameters of the sensor can be set. You can connect directly to the sensor's Wi-Fi and access the settings interface in the browser of your mobile device. In this case, the sensor works as a web server. The required operating mode can be set with a microswitch located on the sensor electronics. To select the setting mode, first turn on switch 2 on the sensor, then restart the sensor with the reset button. Look at the sensor now. Open the working sensor box. Turn the switch 2 on. Use the reset button to restart. The sensor is now ready to receive the settings.